And the Albany County Legislature preparing to vote this August on a bill that would require new reporting on the financial impact of asylum seekers in the county. The bill causing disagreement among lawmakers. News 10's Anthony Krolikowski joins us live now in studio and shares what county officials have to say on the issue. Anthony, good evening.
Thank you, Skylar. Deputy Minority Leader of the Albany County Legislature, Paul Burgdorf, proposed a bill that would require the county to track the financial impact of migrants within the county. The bill receiving pushback from Democratic lawmakers ahead of the vote on the next legislation next month. I spoke with county legislators to learn more about their concerns.
Which would require Albany County to assemble periodic information on the costs of the migrant and homeless populations upon our public programs.
Burgdorf says since Memorial Day weekend, the number of migrants in Albany County has jumped from less than 100 to around 550. Information would be gathered on this group of people, with some close to home for the legislator.
We have about 125 or 130 at the SureStay in Colonie in my district, of which 50 are children.
The bill passed through committee meetings with negative recommendations by Democratic lawmakers. Legislator Wanda Willingham says that information is already available and has been used to determine the budget in years past, including using social services.
As far as social services are concerned, they break it out by zip code, and it's not anything new. And it has been a very transparent process.
Willingham says she believes the federal government has the responsibility to address the influx of asylees and the impact they're having on upstate communities.
He speaks to the federal government and their lack of being able to provide information in regards to its border policy and administration of social services. That has nothing to do with local government.
Burgdorf says if New York City stops paying for the asylees services, the financial impact on the county would be significant. The bill would look closely at the potential impact of asylees on taxpayer dollars. Burgdorf specifically pointing to school districts including Colonie ahead of the new academic year in September.
There are undoubtedly going to be increased costs to the county, which we have to plan for. And if we can't plan for it, we may not be able to provide the level of service that these poor individuals need.
That bill is expected to go into a vote in August, and if it passes, we will see what impact it will be able to make. For the latest on this story, be sure to keep up to date with us both on air and online at news10.com. Reporting live in studio, Anthony Krolikowski, News 10 ABC.